Happy birthdays as well. You always find the latest courtyard permanent solution. Out of the box.
Hello and welcome to a special edition of Radio Waves by Todderbert. It seems like yesterday I was celebrating 2,000 subscribers. Now the channel has reached a milestone of 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, it's so awesome. I'm so excited. My supporters are some of the best people on YouTube, and I'd like to give back to honor this wonderful occasion. I'm going to give back. Definitely. I recently took a poll on what you, the viewer, would like to see as the next giveaway item. And the categories were a portable shortwave radio, an portable AM DXer radio, which I thought would be awesome. Yeah, I think a lot of you guys agreed. And a premium emergency radio, or a vintage classic portable radio, which is what I really wanted to give away. That got a lot of attention there too. I think quite a bit of votes went to that. And yeah, that would have been a cool radio. That would have been this guy right here. No, I'm just kidding. It would have been something a little bit more substantial than this as the classic radio. Just to throw a few words out there, possibly a Panasonic, maybe a GE, you know, something cool, something that people go, whoa, what's that? That's the kind of wow factor I was going for. But nope, you guys chose portable shortwave radio, and that's what you're going to get. So the majority of you guys picked that. Pretty excited, though, to give away shortwave radio. So I was talking with my wife, and I was trying to figure out what to give you. Kind of on limited budget, and I was figuring maybe some Texan radio, like a Texan 310 ET or a PL 380 or a 606. You know, those are cool radios. You saw me using those outside and getting some great reception with those. And I really wanted to do something like that. And I'm like, well, you know, maybe I can ask around, see if anybody would want to sponsor this giveaway like I did last time. So yeah, let's talk about what happened. So who came through in the clutch? Can you guess? Who would it be? Well, pretty much the same folks who came through the clutch in the last giveaway. Yep. You can name it. They are C.Crane, the magic of radio. Yes, this is the catalog that came in the box that the goodie was in. So let's go ahead and show you the book. All right. So yeah, great company. They are sponsoring this giveaway. So I'm going to take the time and show you their catalog here. So let's go ahead and page through it together. Here we go from Bob. Radio is magic because it has the power to influence the course of events by using mysterious forces. I might be one of those mysterious forces, maybe. I don't know. I don't think he's talking about me. This dude looks pretty happy. Yep, I like that. Good picture. Really cool wall. That's a really cool radio up there. Awesome. Okay, so for the AM DXer radio, I was thinking this bad boy right here, EB Pro. Wouldn't that be a cool giveaway for a AM DX radio? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. You got CC Skywave, you got CC Pocket, CC Radio 2E, and they're coming out with CC Radio 3 now with Bluetooth, I believe. So that's a cool one. Maybe in the future, who knows? For the MDX radio, if you guys decide to pick that, hopefully, or the vintage classic radio, which GE, Panasonic, you know, something really awesome. Premium emergency radio. I was thinking about CC Solar Observer because this is a premium radio. It does a great job. A lot of people are very happy with their Solar Observers. And there's a lot of competition in this marketplace, but they really like the longevity of their radios. People who had these 10, 15 years and still working strong. So it's good to hear. Of course, the illustrious Skywave SSB, which I gave away with my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. I was not going to give away the same radio. So what else they got in here? Got a Wi-Fi internet radio. Got a Grace Digital Mondo Plus. That radio, nice. Let's get a partnership with them. We have the Turk AM Advantage Loop. I don't have that one. I have the Texan one, but I believe this is good. I mean, a lot of people say they like this one. You guys can tell me. I think it's a really neat looking antenna. I have to try it one day. Over here's what I got. The Twin Coil Ferrite AM Signal Booster. I call it my antenna system. This thing is just amazing. You're going to see a review on this product since I've been using it. You guys have seen my mini clips where I show it with different radios and how they work. I'm going to go through how to set it up. It's pretty simple, really fun. And you can actually mount this thing remotely 50 feet away from your radio. Pretty cool to get into a spot where you get good reception, especially if you have a lot of noisy environment where you want to listen to. So there it is. and we'll talk about that kit. I love it. And let's see what else we got in this book. Got warranty information. I think they got a 1-year warranty on most parts. They got a 60 days. This is pretty cool. 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If any item fails to meet your expectations, you can return it to us in 60 days for a full refund or credit towards another product. So look at that. What company does that? It's pretty awesome. Oh, and you can keep the catalog too. Sweet. All right. So that's a really cool thing. 60-day satisfaction. That's awesome. That's what you want from a company. They don't do that anymore. Not too many that I know of. FM transmitter 2. This thing is so handy, especially for me, because I use it to broadcast YouTube sanctioned music, so you guys can hear audio, music on the devices I review. They work really well with these Wi-Fi radios and these echo spots. I use mine with a Wi-Fi radio. It's just a great thing. I also use it with an AM radio. Pretty cool. I have a nice AMDX radio. I found a good station at night. I look at my FM transmitter, and I can walk around with a smaller radio by my computers and that where there's a lot of noise, RF noise, and I can listen to that AM station on my FM, and there's no interference. So that's kind of a cool idea if you guys are wanting to listen to your AM in a noisy environment. That's what I do. All right, and over here we got some charger, we got flashlight, chargeable batteries. They use those Tenergies, really good batteries. So if you're ordering from them and you get the rechargeable batteries, you're getting good ones. Here you got their t-shirts. These guys are really happy wearing them, so you should be happy. Get a couple, support them. $25 a piece. And then here you can share the love of radio and give gift certificates. That's a good way to, if you're a lady out there and you don't know what to buy your man who's into radios, just get him that. He'll love it. And the refunds for partial amounts will be issued. Okay, well that's cool. Another certificate, but that's nice. But yeah, you can definitely, not a guy I know in radios is going to turn that down. So that's a cool thing. And of course they have Wi-Fi extenders. So if you have problems with your Wi-Fi reception, they have solutions for that. If you're RVer, a big home, they even have, I think, here you go. So long range, get to the Wi-Fi station. They even have parabolic dishes. Pretty crazy for long range. That, very cool. And of course you can visit them in California. Alrighty, well I had to do that, kind of show you what the company offers because they're awesome. They continue to support the channel. Now you guys are radio enthusiasts, so they're helping the channel out by offering the prize. So we'll see what they decide to give us. Put this over here, and here's what they sent me. The CC Skywave, yes. Awesome radio. Radio value is about $90. Yeah, it's a $90 radio. Pretty awesome. It does a lot. I don't know if you guys know much about this one, but AM, FM stereo, weather alert. Then you get shortwave aviation. I love it. You guys know I have mine right here. Always handy. I've been using this as my frequency checker because I really like it. It's quick to get the station because you have your preset keys right here. So I've been using this a little bit more in my pocket for frequency checking during my analog sessions, which is nice to have. Love the headphone experience. Sounds really good with headphones. Got a little flip out stand here. Set it up. Got little directions for your bandwidth there. Runs on 2 AA batteries, standard batteries. You got your push, fast, slow tuning, and squelch for the airband. Bandwidth controls, auto tuning system. So yeah, this does everything you need. The weather alert's pretty cool. Has a little beeper there, there's a little alarm, clock, all the fun stuff. So yeah, great radio. Really happy that they decided to donate a CC Skywave for the giveaway for 5,000 subscribers. Awesome! What could be better than a CC Skywave? Well, how about a second CC Skywave? Yes, they sent me a second one. How cool is that? 2. So there's going to be 2 lucky winners. Look at that. That's awesome. Yeah, I was all excited. Yeah, let's just open the box up and it's like, wow, there's 2 CC Skywaves in there. That's great. What could be better than 2 CC Skywaves to give away? Well, how about a 3rd CC Skywave? There you go. Let me just zoom this out and get on frame. There you go. 3 CC Skywaves. Yeah. Can you tell I'm excited? Yeah, I'm excited for you guys. You guys deserve this. This giveaway is going to be cool. So yeah, here we go. 3 CC Skywaves from C.Crane. Big shout out to them. Thank you guys. Here it is. This is what you guys wanted. Portable shortwave radio. And now the 3 people are going to be winners. So that's great. I mean, giving away 1 prize is awesome, but to give away 3 just really blows my mind. So let's go over the rules a little bit. Pretty basic. We're going to have an interactive giveaway. Yeah, interactive. We love interactive. It's like the last two I did. This one's going to be fun. So in the comments below this video, make a post describing, and this is what it is, your most memorable portable radio experience. Most memorable portable radio. So you're with your radio, your portable radio, and something came on the news or sports or something, like you were listening to Cubs game and they win the World Series and you had a portable radio because you couldn't watch TV and you were in a car, or you were, walking down in some park because you had to be in a family event and you couldn't bring a TV. Or, you were listening to the moon landing on a radio. So just different things like that. So if you have those memories of your first portable radio experience, most memorable, let me know. Mine is actually when I was 7 years old, I got my first AM radio, and it was a real simple thing. It was probably about this big. I think it was called a Caprice. It was just like a little red box, orange box. It had a little spot for an earphone. It was AM radio only, no speaker, and I just could listen to it with my little earpiece. And I was my first station was a classical radio station, and I loved it. I had sat there and listened to classical music for hours and hours and hours and days, and it started me into radio. So yeah, that's my most memorable portable radio experience. When I was 7 years old, getting my first radio. That was just a really magical time, and really appreciated what I had and entertainment that you can get from such a small device. It was really neat. So that's mine. So what you guys do is you're going to write that down there in the comments section below, and that's going to be your entry. Yeah, awesome. And of course, for rules, you got to read and follow the official rules that are posted right here below the video, because if you don't, then you'll be disqualified. And I'm going to amend this a little bit. The last two giveaways, I kept it to 48 states, but I'm going to include Hawaii and Alaska this time. It is more expensive to ship to those guys, but I'm going to go ahead and include them. They are United States, so they're there. So all 50 states are included now and eligible to be entered in the drawing. You have to be 21 years of age. I've always done that because I'm going to do restricted delivery, so I know you're going to be 21, so somebody there has to be 21 to sign for it, and the person who won has to be 21 years of age. So remember that. So it'll be in the description below there too. Another interesting thing here, and I heard another person who does giveaways on YouTube, is if you're international, say you live in India, or you live in Russia, or you live in Europe, or you live in England, it's difficult for me to give away. So I don't usually have international giveaways, and this one's not one either. But somebody had mentioned that if you have relatives, family members, friends, co-workers, somebody in the States, and they are 21 years of age, and they have a U.S. address, I will send that prize to them. And it's up to them to send that prize to you. So there you go. You have a way to enter. That's how you do it. If you know somebody in the States, you can enter. And what happens is, if you win, you have to give that person's name and address, and that person will get the registration for the radio. Everything will be underneath their name, and they can decide if they want to send it to you as a gift or not. So there you go. That's how you can get entered. And also those people who are like, hey, 21 years, I'm 18, I'm old enough to vote. Well, you're old enough to vote. You're not old enough to from our thing. But again, if you have friends, family, neighbors, anybody that would be able to let you send this to them, then by all means, just tell them it's going to be registered in their name, and they're going to have to sign for it under their name. But you can also have them, pretty much take it for you. And if they feel up to it, they'll give it to you. If they don't, they can keep it. But that's how you can get around that too. So I'm sure you figured that out. But I thought I'd just kind of add it in there as, hey, it's possible. There's possibilities there. So pretty excited about this. We'll go over a couple little things. Privacy policy. Any personal information obtained during this giveaway will be kept private and will not be used in any way except to facilitate the item to the winner and to register the radio. The C.Crane company requires that the winner's name and address be disclosed to them for the sole purpose for warranty registration. So they're going to take your name and address for that person and register the radio under that. They're not going to do anything else with that information, which is good. Disclaimers. So YouTube.com is not a sponsor of this giveaway. You are required to release YouTube.com from any and all liability related to this giveaway. Also follow all YouTube community guidelines. And of course, that's all down below. Check out those links. Keep it all up and up. So there you go. 3 Skywaves. Shortwave portable radios to give away to 3 lucky winners. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I'm looking forward to your stories actually down below in those comments. I'd like to see what your most memorable portable radio experience is, and the drawing. So it's 5,000 subscribers. So when I reach 6,000 subscribers, I will do the drawing. So there you go. So if, however long it takes me from 5,000 to 6,000 is when I will draw for the winners. So there you go. There's no exact date. It's going to be the day that I hit 6,000, I will do the drawing. So anytime after probably noon of that day, I hit 6,000. So there you are. So keep an eye out for my subscriber count hitting 6,000, and then be ready for the giveaway video and see who wins. I'm going to use that comment picker. So when you enter, pretty much it takes unique comments from down below, and we'll register, and then you can hit the button and it does a little random generator and pops up the names, and I'll use that as the drawing feature. And of course that information is down there so you can check it out. So there you go, the CC Skywave. This is my 5,000 subscriber celebration, and I hope you guys are excited about this as much as I am, and the ability to win one of these 3 radios. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and good luck. Take care, and goodbye.